Today we are going to see about the AutoBoxing and unboxing concept in Java. Uh, we have to be create a array list and try to import the value in array list one by one. And after the uh, entering the value in the array list, we have to be retrieve value one by one. In this process, we want to see. We will see about how AutoBoxing work and how unboxing work. This is an important concept in Java 5 features. So first we have to create a ArrayList concept class. First public class ArrayList concept. We need to create a main method. So public static void main here. Now we have to create an array list. Array list starts with capital A, array list, in Angular bracket. We have to mention the object class. We can say wrapper class. Also, we can say the modern data type and non-primitive data type. Uh, in the further lecture, I will discuss about what is wrapper class and how the concept works. First of all, we need wrapper class start with the capital letter. So here integer is a wrapper class. It is a class, not a data type. Okay. Now we have to mention here the array list name. My array list. Okay. What is the name of my array list? My array list equals to new array list. Here also we have to mention the integer in Angular bracket. These are the and this is the line we have to mention here is the creation of array list. So we now we have to add the value of I one by one in the array list. So we have to create for loop. So for loop int I equals to 0. Let's we add the value 0 to 19. I less than 20, I plus plus. Then after that, what should I do? First of all, the value of I one by one enter into the array list. Should enter into the array list. So we have to write my array list dot. There are many methods which we have used in the collection framework. But first we need add method. What we have to add? I, the value of I. So here we have to mention I, but this is a wrong. What we have to mention? First, let's listen to me. Listen to me. The value of I is not currently the value of I is primitive data type. We have to convert this primitive data type into non-primitive data type. So there is a many methods that can convert the primitive data type into non-primitive data type. So here we have to mention integer dot value of I. Integer dot value of I. This line, this line, I can retrieve the value of I, and value of method. Value of method is the collection, the method in the collection framework that can convert the I value into integer type, non-primitive type. Okay, so these are the line we have to write for the entering the value of non-primitive data type, primitive data type into non-primitive type into the my array list. So after entering the value, now we have to get the value one by one. So what I did, first of all, this concept is known as AutoBoxing. 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 Okay. Now we have to get the value. We should get the value one by one. First, I increase the font size. I want to increase the font size. How the font size increase? How the font size increase? No. So let's after some times we did we will did we will do show for int I equals to 0 I less than 20, same as upward I plus plus. So we have to print the value one by m. So shout system.out.println, and here we need to convert the non-primitive data type, non-primitive data into primitive data. So first of all, first mention the array list name, my array list dot a method get which extract the value from the array list, get the value of index I. Now this is the line which extract the value one by one from the array list. Now this value convert into, we should convert into primitive data type. So here are one method, int value. Int value method converts the whole non-primitive data type value into the integer value. So our this concept is known as unboxing. Unboxing. What we can say? Unboxing. Unboxing means primitive, non-primitive data type converted into primitive data type. Autoboxing means primitive data type को non-primitive data type में change करना. So now our program is completed.